While most people are spending money on gifts and fancy dinners, what if you could actually make money instead? Valentine's season isn't just about flowers and chocolates. It's also a perfect time to grab new opportunities. And today, I'm going to show you 3 websites that can help you earn online. Whether you're looking for some quick cash, a smart investment, or even a way to buy and sell online businesses for long-term profit. And the best part? You don't need special skills or a huge investment to start, just your phone or laptop and a few minutes to set things up. Plus, if you use the links in the description, not only will you get started faster, but you'll also be supporting this channel at no extra cost. Let's jump right in. First up, BC Game, a fun way to turn entertainment into earnings. Most games out there are just for fun, but what if you could actually make money while playing? That's exactly what BC Game offers, a platform where you can enjoy gaming while earning rewards. Getting started is simple. Go to bcgame.se using the link in the description. Sign up for free and explore different games that offer real money rewards. Take advantage of promotions and bonuses to boost your chances of winning. Now, I get it, some people are skeptical about gaming platforms like this. But the key is playing smart and taking advantage of the free bonuses. It's not about gambling everything away. It's about having fun while making extra cash on the side. And honestly, isn't that way better than scrolling through social media for hours without making a dime? Next, let's talk about Noons, because making money is great, but investing it wisely is even better. Noons.com is a platform designed for secure digital trading and smart investments. Whether you want to trade digital assets, hold on to them for long-term, use Noons. Escrow service for safe transactions. This platform gives you the tools to grow your money. Here's how to start. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Choose a digital asset you want to invest in. Crypto, digital goods, or something else that interests you. Use Noon's escrow service to make safe trades without worrying about scams. Think of Noons as your personal finance assistant for the digital world. You don't need to be a finance expert, just start small, learn as you go, and make your money work for you instead of letting it sit idle. It's the kind of move that could pay off big time in the future. And now, for those who want to take things even further, let's talk about Flippa. Flippa is not just another website. It's the world's largest marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. Imagine buying a website or an e-commerce store that's already making money, instead of starting from scratch. Here's how it works. Go to flippa.com using the link below to browse through listings. You'll find profitable websites, mobile apps, and online businesses for sale. Pick a business that fits your budget and start running it immediately, or flip it. Many people buy businesses, make small improvements, and sell them for a higher price. This is a serious way to make money online. If you've ever wondered how people get into online business without building everything from the ground up, this is it. And don't worry, you don't have to spend thousands. Some listings start at just a few $100s, making it accessible even if you're just getting started. Let's break it down one more time. BC Game lets you make money while having fun. Noons helps you invest and grow your money securely. Flippa allows you to buy and sell online businesses for long-term profits. That's 3 different ways to make money online this Valentine's season. Whether you want fast cash, a solid investment, or a business you can flip for bigger profits. Now, if that sounds good to you, check out the links in the description to get started. And if this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use an extra income boost this month. Who knows, maybe next year, instead of buying gifts, you'll be the one making money while everyone else is spending it. Ooh. If you're still here, check out this video and I'll see you there.